Hi, my name's Cardi and I'm the Marketing Communications Officer for Cynnal Cardi. The purpose of this video is to provide yourselves and your show committees with information in regards to how Cynnal Cardi can help you begin to think about organising your shows for 2022. Cynnal Cardi is a local action group for Ceredigion, and we're exploring opportunities to support show committees in reorganising and developing their events post-COVID. One of the proposed ideas that we have is a starter toolkit. This can include materials such as up-to-date guidance, PPE and rural event training, which would include modules such as site management, health and safety and marketing. We've created a short questionnaire that will help us to not only understand what you feel is needed from us, but also how we can move forward in supporting the shows. We ask that all questionnaires are returned to us by the 23rd of February so that we can start collating the feedback and shaping ideas. Following on from this, we would like to organise an online meeting with show secretaries or other members of the committee in March. In order to get as many shows as possible involved in this meeting, we ask that you also provide us with dates that are suitable for you. This way we can arrange a date and get the meeting invitation sent out to you as soon as possible. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and please do not hesitate to contact me at all using the contact form below or by emailing me at cynnalcardi@ceredigion.gov.uk.